Hello students, how are you? Hope you all are doing fine and safe at home. Welcome back to the class. Today we are going to do mathematics and the topic is shapes. Now you know that we have different kinds of shapes. We study different kinds of shapes and wherever we see around, we can see different shapes around us. Maybe a table. A table is in a shape of a rectangle. A ball is in a shape of a circle. You see a scale is straight, isn't it? And book is sometimes square, it's sometimes rectangle. You see a frame is rectangle, is in a square shape. Pizza, if you see, it's in the slice of a pizza is in a shape of a triangle. So different shapes you can see. So here today we are studying about the shapes circle, CIRCLE circle, rectangle, RECTANGLE rectangle, triangle, TRIANGLE triangle, and square, SQUARE square. So these four shapes we are going to focus on. Now first, this is a shape of a triangle. This is a triangle. Okay, three sides are there. This is the shape of a triangle. What is it? Triangle. Okay, three sides are there. So this is triangle. Next we have is a pencil box. This is a pencil box kit. This is a box and this is in the shape of a rectangle. 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 What is this shape? This is rectangle. Next, this is a biscuit. This is a cookie. So this is in a shape of a square. 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 What is the shape? This shape is a square. Next, this is the shape of a circle. 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 Yes. So these four shapes we have studied about. Now you have to name the following shapes. Yes. What is the name of the shape? This is a rectangle. 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 Say with me. Rectangle. Next. This is a circle. 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 Next is a triangle. 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 Next is a square. 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 So this is a rectangle, circle, triangle, and square. Now here you have to match with the shapes. Yes. Which is the shape? This is a rectangle. Number 2. What is the shape? This is a square. Very good. And what is this shape? This is a circle. This ball is in the shape of a circle. And this shape is a triangle. This is a triangle. Yes, very good. So this is all related to your shapes. Now, another new topic we are going to study is about data handling. Now, what is this data handling? Kids, data means information. Now, for example, in a school, you have to collect lots of information about the students, the date of birth, the class, section, roll number. So many data are there, information about the students, about your father's name, mother's name, and your address. All that is information. So when we are collecting lots of information, that is called as data handling. And when we are keeping it in an order, in one proper order, that is called as data handling. So when we are collecting lots of information and we have to handle those informations, okay? That is called as data handling. Now let's try to see this question. This is the question. Here we have grapes. Now as you can see, the grapes are liked by 8 people, okay? By 8 people, it is being liked. Oranges are liked by 7 people. Then the mangoes are more liked by 11 people. Banana are liked by 8 people again. And apple are liked by 10 people. Okay. Now these are the fruits and these are the people who love eating bananas or they like more of these fruits. Okay. So this is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So this is how much you can range that how much of the fruits are being liked by the people. Now, according to the numbers, you can just see. Okay. Now, you have to answer these questions. How many children liked apples? Now, how to find out this? Now, you can see apple is written here. And then you have to count till here. So, here from 0 to 10, 10 people liked apples. How many children liked apples? 10. Are you understanding? How many liked apples? 10 people. Now here you can count. In these apples, 10 people liked apples. Let's see the next question. Which fruit was liked the most? What is the meaning? The most means how much people like more of which fruit? And the most is mango. If you can see, 11 people liked mangoes. 11 people. Okay. So, which is the fruit which was liked the most? It was the mangoes. It was the mangoes. See number 3. How many children liked oranges? Now you have to tell the number. How many children? How many children like oranges? So you will see here oranges. It is coming till 7. It is coming till 7. So 7 people liked oranges. 7 children liked oranges. Now see question number 4. Were grapes liked more than bananas? Now you have to compare here between grapes and bananas. That they are asking that whether grapes were liked more than bananas. But if you can see here 8 people liked banana and 8 people liked grapes. So there is nothing more. Both are on the same number. Yes? So the answer is no. Grapes were not liked more than bananas. Okay, the answer is no. Both are same. Both are same. Let's see the next question. How many children like mangoes more than bananas? Mangoes more than bananas. Now here you have to find the difference between mangoes and bananas. Now here you can see that mangoes are how much? 11. And apple is and banana is how much? 8. Mangoes are 8 and mangoes are 11 and bananas are 8. So you have to find the difference. 11 minus 8. Now from 8, start the counting 8, 9, 10, 11. So the answer is 3. So 3 children liked mangoes more than bananas. Okay. 3 children liked mangoes more than bananas. Okay. So this is about one question of data handling. Let's see another question of data handling. Now here you can see that you have lions, ducks, deer and tortoises. This is a zoo where we have different kinds of animals. Now you have to answer the questions using the data. Number 1. How many ducks are there? How many ducks are there? Yes, count. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many ducks are there? 4. Very good. Now, how many tortoises are there? Count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. 6 tortoises are there. Number 3. How many animals live in the zoo all together? Now you have to find the number, the total number of animals living in the zoo altogether. Now let's count from the line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So how many animals live in the zoo altogether? 16. Am I clear, kids? Yes, it's easy. Number 4. The zoo has 3 lions. The zoo has how many lions? 3 lions. 1, 2, 3. Now what else do they have 3 of? Now what else do they have 3 of? The deer. Deer are also 3. Number 5. How many more tortoises do they have than lions? How many tortoises do they have than lions? Means you have to find that how many tortoises are more than lions. So how you will find out? 3. How is it 3? You will first write down the number of tortoises, that is 6, minus number of lions, that is 3. So 6 minus 3 is 3. So there are 3 tortoises more than lions. Next, number 6. How many deer and ducks do they have altogether? Deer and ducks. Yes, count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The answer is 7. The answer is 7. Next. The zoo gets 2 more deer. How many does it have now? What is the question trying to understand? That they are saying that how many deers are there? 3. Now, if you add 2 more deer in this, what will be the answer? How many does it have now? 5. 3 plus 2 will be 5. 3 plus 2 will be 5. Yes. So, that's all related to your chapter. So, till then, take care and we'll meet soon. And these questions, you have to note it down in your reader books, in your math reader books. All right. And these questions will be easy for you if you will practice it nicely and you will try to understand it and do it. Okay. And we'll meet soon for the next class. Bye-bye.